Hello guys, welcome back. So first thing is we have to go to Pinterest and find some picture. So actually I have already added all these picture which I have used as a folder on my description. Just go to description and find all those picture which I have used, all the template that I have used. Including the fire green screen I have added on the folder. You can just go there and download it from the folder. So we have to go to the Inshot and then I'm adding this paint template. After that we'll add some text. So the lyrics of the song is what we're gonna add here. So yeah, I'm making it black and all and blah 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 blah, so you can just watch how I'm doing it. So see, this is how it looks. After that we have to go and find for next one, that is heart. So I'll be adding a heart as well. First on the second frame we have to zoom in the heart because we're gonna add I think go something like that. So here also I'm adding a heart so that this heart would get zoomed on the next part of the edit. So here I'll be adding this heart here like this and making it zoomed, and then I'll be adding text on the top of this heart. So yeah. So we'll add next frame. I'm adding this frame here, and then you just have to watch how I'm editing it. You can just add it. It's nothing very difficult. It's simple. So I'm adding this person here, and then we'll do boom boom fire kind of thing and all. For that I'll be adding text. You can just choose whatever color you want for the text. For second boom we'll add another background. So I want second boom to be on the back of the person, so I'm adding this boom as a photo. I'm exporting it as a photo, and then I'm adding that photo behind the person so that I can just make it behind the person like this. I'll show you. See, so this is behind the person and the text is behind the person, so you can just do like that. For each boom we have to add fire as well. Last boom, it is fire coming from the side. Okay, and we have to zoom in that fire as well. Next frame, so here I'm adding this. Actually I don't think there is nothing I have to explain because something you can just look and do it. So I don't think I have to explain it like step by step because there is nothing to explain it here. So you can make it like same photo different pose, so it would look like a bit nice or something. and then I'm again adding some this kind of bubble text thing and adding text there. So actually I have added all the text thing on that folder. You can just see all this thing I have exported and I have kept on the folder, so you don't have to make it again. So yeah, if you want to make it again, you can make. I have added the text template and as well as just the bubble template, everything. And then you have to add this thing here like this. So yeah, that's it. You can choose whatever background you want. After adding that, we'll add next I wanna be what, something like that. I wanna be with, yeah. They just add simple text like this. I'm searching for cloud template. So actually I have added this to the folder as well, so you don't have to find it again and keep it like put it. So yeah, so this is actually photo, okay, not the video. So in the photo we have to add that cloud and a person, as well as we don't need that background, that cloud background. We have to make it like red or something, red or green. We don't need this background, so we'll just add it, the person and the cloud on this, so that we can add a text there. Now I'm just adding all those which have exported. Again, going to photos and adding some text that I can use there in the video. So I'm adding please come rescue me. So we can add a text and zoom it so that it would look like coming up and zooming in, like have to have a good effect. You can just make it like this, like add keyframe and zoom in. I have also added neon effect there so that it would look like blinking kind of effect. Just adding some lyric with the person with the picture. I'm adding duper 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 and that thing. So here you can just add any text you want, any font you want, anything that you would like to have. So I'm changing it according to, changing the color according to each that thing. So yeah. I want to add some stickers, so I'm just going to sticker option from the Inshot and I'll be just exporting some of the sticker that I want. These and all I'll be unlocking for free by watching ad, and then I'm gonna add the stickers to places that I feel like it would suit. So yeah, you can just watch where I'm adding it. So this is how the edit look now. So you can just add some keyframe and make it how it was looking on my video. So I can make that video if you want. I'll be adding it as a part 2 of this video. So yeah, you just have to add keyframe and zoom in, zoom out, all those things, and some of the effect you can add all those things and make it look good. So that's it on this video, and I can add keyframe video if you want. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.